Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a field survey system for NGOs, students or community projects in just 30 minutes. By the way, no coding needed. Most of the NGOs still spend hours on paper surveys. What if you could build a mobile survey app in just 30 minutes? Free, no coding and ready for the field. Welcome to Tech4Cause by GM, where we explore technology that inspires growth. Today, I'll show you how NGOs, students, or community groups can set up a field survey system that works offline, collects clean data, and gives you instant dashboards. We are using the KoboToolbox, which is a free survey platform trusted by many NGOs worldwide. It works offline, syncs into online, and exports the spreadsheets. Once you logged in, you will landed into the homepage where you can create the new forms. You can build it from scratch or you can use template too. You need to give project name, description, and you need to choose the domain why you are going to use this form, and you need to select the country. Just create the form. Once you started getting the submissions, you can view it here. You have already existing filters that past 7 days or 31 days, monthly or yearly you can choose. Once you landed into the project page, you can add the questions here. I have added few sample questions here, which is the basic my name, and I required it to be as a block letters. So I have given it in the description, and I can set the settings here. I can choose the options that it is required question or not, or I can choose is there any logic behind it, or a validation kind of. Next, I have given college and then area of living. In the area of living, I have added location where people need to fill the location. Then I have added photo which people need to come up with their photos. And here is my out preview of the form, how it looks. Yes. Then I can directly save this. So once I click on the save button, all my questions were successfully updated. So we can check the form styles, layouts, everything here. Now it's time to deploy our form. So it's we just need to click a single button to deploy our form, and we can allow submissions without a username or password, or we need to go with the proper login forms. Then here is our output. So our form is going to look like this. It's a demo project, and after this, install the KoboCollect app on your phone, download your form, and now you can collect responses even without internet. Field workers enter data on the app. Once they are back online, it syncs automatically to your dashboards. Then we need to export the results to Google Sheets. Use a free tool like Datawrapper to create clean charts and dashboards. So, Datawrapper is a platform where you can convert your raw data into visualizations without even signing into the platform. We have multiple options here like pie charts, bar graphs, maps, and all. We can directly export the file once we are done. Instead of messy paper forms, you now have real time accurate data. For NGOs, this means better reporting to donors. For students, it's a professional skill. And for communities, it means faster action where it's needed most. Here is my challenge: build one survey this week, even if it's just for your college club or a small project. Share your dashboard screenshots in the comments, and I will feature some in the next video. Until this is Tech4Cause by GM, let's build the future together.